Today I wanted to show you sort of the latest way we've come up with to remove the tops off of the aluminum cans. If you see in the other video, we had used sandpaper to do it, and it works really great. It's not the fastest way to do it, but works really great. The edges are super smooth. But came up with another way to do it, a little bit faster, basically the same method. But just want to show it to you right now, and I'd love to have your comments, a like, and a subscribe. So check it out. First thing, just took my electric drill, carefully put it in the vise here, tighten it up just enough so it's snug. I've actually got this strap here to make sure that it stays on, doesn't vibrate out. Then take this basic sanding disc, and you can buy these pre-cut pieces of sandpaper. This is for wet or dry. This particular one is 80 grit, and just simply install it into the drill. Next thing is to wet it down. And the next thing we're going to do is essentially start the drill. I'm going to put the can on top. It's real important just to only apply light pressure to this. If not, if you press too hard, it'll grip, and then it could send the can flying. So if you do decide to do this, just use extreme caution when you do so. Alright, that should probably do it. Usually doesn't take too long. Take a pair of needle nose pliers. Reach in. Yeah, I need a little bit more. Probably got it. Yep, pops right off. Then from here, it's actually pretty smooth, but just take a little bit of fine grain wet dry sandpaper, run around the edges, and you'll be good to go. Again, hope you liked the video. If you do, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.